guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a day in a life with me as an ARKI student. So, today I'll be doing some plates and meron din ako online classes today. And I have some minors na I have to study. So, I'll be taking you guys with me for today. And, feel ko today is gonna be a busy day kasi medyo meron kaming exercise. Exercise siya, pero parang ang major ng feel niya. Ewan ko, basta. So, it's a plate for my ARK 21, my design class. And currently, isang page pa lang yung nagagawa ko. And wala pa ako nung second and third page. Because the other one I can edit it digitally, so that's gonna be easy. And wala masyadong contents doon, just pictures. And the second one is a site development plan and a floor plan. So I'll be doing that today. I'll show you guys my progress later after lahat ng mga minors ko and yung isa kong online class for today. So today is Wednesday. It's 9:45 a.m. and I have a class at 10 a.m. So ayun. That's my ARK 17 class, yung HTC class namin. And usually, mga discussion lang naman yan. But then after that, I'll study for math and then physics para it's not in my way anymore later. Para buong afternoon, I'll be doing my plate na. And yeah, so I'll get back to you guys later. Magmamontage muna ako. Hey guys, it's 11:14 a.m. and natapos na yung online class ko. That's the only online class I have. And after that, now I'm going to study for math and physics kasi we always have a lesson. So, ayun. And asynchronous siya. So, I'll be studying for that topic today. And then later afternoon, sana ma-finish ko na yung plates para tomorrow model na lang. So, baka ipakita ko na rin sa inyo sa next days kung ano naging result ng mga plans ko para lang makita niyo how we do it. So, I'll get back to you guys later. Ang ingay na messenger ko, pero ayun. So, mag-aaral muna ako. Hey guys, time check. It's 12:55 p.m. and I just finished math and physics. So, yan yung first sheet na ginawa ko. Hindi ko pa tinatapos ko kasi merong floor plan siya kasi wait siya. Pero ito, kailangan namin magbigay ng site analysis sa location. So, we chose our location and then we chose the lot we want from the options na binigay sa amin ng prof. Tapos, ayan, we have to look at the climate, basta yung mga necessary details about the site para malaman mo kung ano yung gagawin mo for the site and also how you're gonna orient the house, ganon, etc. So, the concept is to make a house for 1 to 2 people and in accordance to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. So, parang it has to be a working place, a living place, and for recreation. So, eto muna yung gagawin kong sheet. So, this is for the site development plan and also floor plan. And then, later naman, I'll be doing also a sheet naman for the precedents. Yun naman is about the inspo mo or yung parang mood board mo, parang yung mismong itsura ng magiging house and also yung site. So, that is what I'm gonna do later. Pero for now, ito muna kasi ito na yung gusto ko lang ihuli yung madali. Kasi yun, i-edit ko na lang yung pictures eh. So, yan, magmamontage na ako na nagda-draft. So, it took me, I don't know, 1:40 na. So, yan, 1:40 na and around 40 minutes ko siyang ginawa. And hindi ko pa nalagyan ng gate, pero ayan siya. Ito yung lot. Yan, yung thick na border is yung pader. Tapos, tinrace ko lang kasi yung roof para lang alam ko if paano siya tingnan. Pero ayan, this is the roof. Ayan, yung malakap sa gilid. Tapos ito yung mismong floor plan. And then, I'm just gonna sketch this out kasi schematic lang naman. Hindi na ako nag-allot ng parang bricks dito kasi nga parang ang pangit. So anyway, ang laki ng puno. Ayan, dalawa yung puno. Tapos dito, ayusin ko pa pala. Because I have to put like a loft-like na garden. Which is cute for me. Like, ito yung inspo ko. Wait. My inspo for a loft garden. Parang naka-elevate siya. Kasi since this one is elevated, I want to put something like this. Para, you know, very chill. Very chill and with the nature vibe siya. So, nag-cut and fill lang ako dito para pantay. Pati ito, pinantay ko siya. Imbes na parang crooked yung contour and also this one. Hey guys, it's 2:59 p.m. So, kanina pa ako. Hindi pa ako nagtitrace kasi natatakot ako. Pero, I finished na with my other sheet na digital. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, yan siya. So, yan yung parang vibe. Oops, sorry. Yung vibe ng gusto kong house. So, parang modernized, bahay kubo na on stilt. Pero hindi yung super high. Yung medyo parang ano lang. Tapos, may malaking windows and high ceiling. And then, like, square wood lattice for the facade. And also, I wanted a stair-like path entrance to the main door na isang malaking door lang. And then, for the backyard, I wanted an elevated garden since yung contour, fina-follow ko. So, nag-fill na lang ako and nag-cut ako ng some parts para maging parang elevated na ganyan. And then, curved yung parang seating area and I want the wall to be a part na parang may wood-like texture tapos concrete. So, yun lang naman. Ay, nasulatan ko ng lines. Pero, ayan. I'll update you guys later. Pag na-trace ko na yung site development plan ko. Kasi, kanina pa akong natatakot. Hindi ko pa siya ginagalaw kasi sayang sa papel kapag nagkamali ako. So, i-retrace ko na naman and everything. So, I just want it to be like one swift na, okay, tapos na ako. And then, I have to render this para medyo maganda naman tingnan. So, I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, it's 4:15 p.m. And tapos na ako mag-render, papakita ko sa inyo. Tapos na ako, pero hindi talaga yung maayos sa render yung ginawa ko. Kasi syempre rough lang naman. So, ayan naman, naghihingala na yung markers ko. Pero, kaya mo na sila. Anyway, natapos na ako. Ayan siya, ang laki oh. Ay, and then gagawa ko ng model tomorrow. Pero ito, ayusin ko muna dun sa Manila paper. Tapos ila-layout ko na yung mga information na kailangan ko ilagay. Time check, it's 5:24 p.m. and tapos na ako. So, tapos na ako sa 3 sheets. So, tomorrow na lang yung mass model. And pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nangyari. Ayan. Kasi, hindi talaga ito maayos. Kasi schematic lang naman. So, hindi ko na masyadong in-effortan yun. Pero, ay, nakakapagod. Ayoko na. At least, tapos na. Anyway, so, ayun, natapos na rin. Pero tomorrow, I'm gonna do the massing pa. Tapos, 3 pa siya. So, I mean, kahit cube siya, mahirap pa rin siya gawin. So, gagamit pa ako ng vellum board kasi wala akong ibang paper na medyo matigas. Showing some clips na lang of the model kasi tomorrow ko gagawin. Basta at least makita niyo kung ano itsura niya. But anyway, that is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any video suggestions. That's it, and thank you for watching.